How to delete TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then delete TikTok videos. But before we get started with this tutorial, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So if you want to go ahead and then delete your TikTok videos, first what you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom right in order to come to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, here you will see all of the videos that has been posted. So just go ahead and select a particular video that you would really like to delete. Once you select that video, just tap on the three little dots which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll see all this type of various options where you can share this particular video to. But what we want to do is we're going to scroll down all the way to the right hand side of the screen until we find the option called delete right at the bottom. So you can see the trash icon that says delete. What you have to do is tap on the delete button over here. It will ask you for a confirmation, and just go ahead and tap on the delete option. And this will delete this particular TikTok video. Keep in mind that after you delete this video, there is no going back. You cannot restore it from recycle bin or trash. And this is simply how you can go ahead and delete TikTok videos. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.